So basically, when it comes to multiplication and division, I understand that we learned it much differently than we were kids than how we're learning it now. A lot of the reason that we're doing some of the strange things in class is for students to really understand the foundation for multiplication and division. That multiplication is putting together equal groups, and division is dividing things into equal groups. So, for example, 3 times 5 equals 15, and 15 divided by 3 equals 5 are related facts. They contain the same factors, product, and then over here, those factors become the quotient and the other numbers of the division problem. To show this same problem in a picture, you would show 3 groups of 5, because we learned that this multiplication symbol actually means groups of. So you would show 3 groups of 5 for this problem. If you were doing the division problem, 15, you divided it into 3 groups, and you ended up with 5 in each group. For an array, we also learned that the multiplication symbol means rows of. So 3 times 5 becomes 3 rows of 5. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows of 5. A tape diagram is simply another way to draw a picture of a multiplication and division problem. It helps students see the equal groups. So for 3 times 5, we have a rectangle divided into 3 groups with 5 in each of them, and the total is 15. A number bond, again, just another picture. The large part of the number bond has the total, and then each arm of the number bond is one of the groups with the size of the group inside it. We do use those words number of groups and size of the groups quite frequently in class. Each problem contains one of each of those. There's always a number of groups and there's always a size of the groups. And then the other thing we teach to help with multiplication is skip counting, sometimes referred to as a count by. For this problem, 3 times 5 equals 15. They could count by 5s 3 times or count by 3s 5 times. On homework, as long as students are showing their work and understand how they got their answer, whatever strategy works for you and your family is absolutely fine with me. If you have any other questions about this, please just let me know. Have a good night.